everybody, welcome to the channel. We have an exciting one in store today. We're going to be adding some new parts to the F250. It's parts that I've wanted to do for a long time, but I've kind of held off on it because there's a bit of work involved in doing these. It's not going to be just a simple install, but that's the fun of it, so really looking forward to that. And definitely want to take a second to thank you guys. Are all awesome. I appreciate the support, I appreciate the comments, I appreciate the likes. If you guys have more cool ideas, more things you want to see me do on the channel, please just let me know and I will definitely try to make it happen. And if you are new to the channel, please tap that subscribe button. To kick off the video today, we need to move the F250. It doesn't fit in the garage, so I'm just going to pull it in front of this garage bay right here and try to work on it that way. I haven't done that yet, so we'll have to try it out and see how it works. 1 second, I forgot my keys. And to the parts. Here we are. This is what we're going to be doing today. 5 of these. These are LED smoked white marker lights. We also have some of these as well, if we can get it to focus there. These are harnesses that accept a T10 bulb because these have a T10 connector right there, and I would like to be able to remove these or swap them out for a different kind if needed. Let's go ahead and look at what is currently on the truck and why this is going to be a bigger job. Truck currently has these teardrop shaped markers and I want to replace it with these here. There's a little bit of a difference in shape and also where the holes are. So this has one screw here in the center, and then it has 2 bolts that go down on either end here, and this one only has a space for 2 screws. If I remember correctly, these do not line up with these, which means that we're also additionally going to have to drill 10 new holes across the top of the cab here. The wiring is also different in these. This has a single hot lead that goes to all 5. They are grounded via these screws here, so they're actually grounded to the cab, but these require a ground and a hot. We'll need to rewire or run a new wire or figure something out to do with the difference in wiring as well. I'm going to actually start on this one and do one first, figure out all of the details here, and then go from there. Yeah, the holes don't line up. And I think we're gonna have to take out the headliner, at least have to take out the sun visor there, try to get this headliner to come down a little bit. Both of those, they're just entirely stripped out. That's crazy. So I have this rubber stripping just kind of pulled off here, so that way the headliner will come down a little bit. And we can see all of our wires right up there. Really need to do some cleaning, it looks like. But if we look at the holes, those don't quite line up, unfortunately. As soon as I cut this, I have to continue with it. There we go, we're committed. We're putting on new cab lights now. Oh man, I think those are gonna look so good on there compared to these. This one's gonna be kind of off a little bit, it looks like. I'm really liking the look of these things. I can't wait to get these done and get these installed. So I'm gonna use this gasket piece as a template of where the holes should go. And since neither of these holes line up with the holes that exist already, I'm just gonna drill 2 new ones so that way I can use screws instead of the bolts that we're holding these on. So we're gonna put down some quick masking tape right about where I think we're going to be drilling. The masking tape should help avoid any further damage to the paint. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna use the old holes as a guide of how to line these things up. Got a nice purple pencil there. All right, now it's time for the scary part. As far as the test fit goes, I think that looks pretty good. Pretty happy with that so far. I'm gonna go ahead and speed through getting the rest of these off and then drill some holes and everything. This is another reason why I'm not gonna miss these teardrop shaped ones. There's condensation all inside of that. It's really nasty. You can also see how badly the roof of my truck needs painted. Alright, so we have all of these old ones off. I'm gonna go ahead and clean this stuff up a little bit and we'll start drilling out the holes. So we got everything all cleaned up, best as it's going to get, I think, for this project. And now I'm gonna go ahead and drill the other 8 holes that we need to drill, so I'll go ahead and do those. plan is to put these down the center hole, like so, like that, and then we'll be able to take them off and swap them out for new ones, or whenever I get this roof fixed or wrapped, maybe. Well, we got one on. So I thought about it, and I really don't want to run another wire up the pillar and everything. So I think I'm going to use one of these old bolts right here, put it back through the top the way it was, and then ground it to the chassis like it was with just one of these things and some new wire here. Ah! I need to get different pliers. 1 second. Take two. Okay, that's pretty solid, so I'll go ahead and install that wire then. Alright, so we have the cab lights installed, and now it's time to do the wiring and things, and I can't really find a good way to show you the wiring since this headliner is only partially taken down. So I'm going to go ahead and wire these real quick, and then we'll take a look and see what it looks like. And the wiring is done. You can kind of see up there that it's not very pretty. It's all pretty messy. It's using those quick connectors, but it will work for now to try this out. Now we can just button everything up. And there we have it. There it is. We have the smoked cab lights. Oh man, I think those look really good. I'm so happy with how those turned out. And then with them on, and then the headlights on and everything. Oh man, those are crazy. Oh yeah, with the headlights on, and then with the switchbacks up here, the white lights, that's gonna look really good at night, I think. Yeah, I am really happy with how those turned out. I think those look really good on there. And there we go. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I think those cab lights turned out really, really nice. I'm really happy with those. There is going to be a part 2 to this video, so I will be updating something else on the truck as well, and you can catch that one very, very soon. As always, thank you for watching. I very much appreciate your support. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of this in the comment section below. We're getting through these truck projects, and I think that it's only going to get more exciting from here. So thank you again, and have a nice day.